Hi, this is Mike Sokol from, well, RV Electricity, RV Travel, and a bunch of other no shock zone things. This is a new little experiment that I'm doing. Even though I don't have a lot of experience doing unboxing videos, I think they're a lot of fun. So I'm actually going to try one of these things. Let's kick down in here and see what I've got. Good. Um, so here's the hint. It doesn't have to sit, don't look like much sitting here right now, but it is in fact from Mevo. And so this is a Mevo Start. They were given to me as a demo unit. I write for a bunch of the pro audio magazines. In fact, I'm doing a series on how you can record your band and stream your band live. I think this would be great for this, but it could also be really, really good for any eCam things that you're doing. I'm going to see how well it works. Let's see what's in the box. So I pop that baby open. I was a packaging engineer in a previous life back in the 70s, so I appreciate this. These guys just make some of the most gorgeous packages, kind of equivalent to some of the Apple stuff. So look at this. I'm going to take this off. Let's see what we got inside. The Mevo. So yeah, this guy will mount up on a regular, mic mount. Apparently has image stabilization, has the ability to record locally. It'll do a Wi-Fi connection. You can do a hardwire connection. You can live stream with this. So this could be the perfect little gadget if you want to record your band. And apparently you can plug in audio from an outside source, like from your mixing board or whatever. We shall see how that all works. So in any event, there's my baby little unboxing video. So in a week or so, I should have this all up, and I'm going to do a comparison with this. I do have a couple of Sony high definition PTZ cameras that I'm going to compare it against. Also, a Canon digital SLR and a few other cameras that I have available, just to kind of do a little shootout to see how well they work. But I think from a form factor standpoint here, this looks brilliant. So stay tuned in a week or so, and I'll have it up and running, and then we're going to see how it works. Again, I'm Mike Sokol from all of the other places that I normally am, but watch for this in another week. I'll get it fired up. Thanks very much for watching.